Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to add fractions or subtract fractions where the denominators are different. So we use a method for this and we call it a butterfly method. So now you will see how can we do that. So there is a fraction 2 divided by 7 and plus 9 divided by 3. We have these two fractions, and like we cannot make an equivalent fraction for them to make the same denominator, like 3 and 7, they both are not in the same table. So we use a method for this addition and we call it a butterfly method. So how we do that? First we take this 2 and we multiply it with this 3, which gives us 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Then we have plus here, so we put plus. Then this 7 times 9, like this, which is, we put 63 here. So then the denominators we multiplied 7 and 3. So 7 times 3 is 21. So it is simple. The answer is now 63 plus 6, which gives us 69 divided by 21. So this is the addition. That's how we do. Once again I will explain it. First we use the 2 and 3, like the left numerator with the right denominator. Then we have plus, so put plus. Then the right numerator with the left denominator, multiply it. We will multiply and write it. Then both of the denominators, multiply them. 7 multiply 3, which gives us 21. In the end, plus them. 63 plus 6, 69, and denominator 21. So this is how we do it. Now I will give you 2 more questions and you will solve your questions and then send it back to me, like following the butterfly method, okay? And send it back to me. The 2 questions are 4 divided by 5 plus 6 divided by 7. Find the answer, like add them and then tell me what is the answer using the butterfly method. And the next question is 10 divided by 9 plus 3 divided by 2. Solve these 2 questions with the help of the butterfly method and send it back to me. Once again, we can also do subtraction with the butterfly method. Now how to do subtraction, I will also explain one question using the butterfly method, and then I will give you 2 questions for subtraction, like for practice, okay? Now let's do this question. It's 7 divided by 5 minus 3 divided by 4. Now they both, like these 2 fractions, their denominators are different and we cannot change them to some equivalent fractions to make them similar with the similar denominator. So what should we do? The same method, the butterfly method. Let's do it. 7 multiply 4, so which gives us 28, for example. So multiply this 7 with 4. I will just write it here so that we know it. 7 multiply 4 is 28. Okay, so this 28 we write it here. Then we have minus, so put minus. Then this 3 with 5, I'll just make this circle. You don't need to just make these circles or whatever, just you can do it. This is just for learning the method. 5 multiply 3 is 15, and divided by the last step. Think about it, what was the last step, like what we did in addition, like it's the same method, you know it, right? Yeah, it was this. We multiply these 2 denominators. 5 multiply 4. Now we have subtraction here, so do subtraction. It's easy, you can do mentally directly, or if you don't want like to have less mistakes, so you can do on the side. 8 minus 5, so and 2 minus 1, so we got 13 divided by 20. So this question was of subtraction. We had the 2 fractions, 7 by 5 minus 3 by 4, and we subtracted them with the help of butterfly method. Once again I will repeat it, how we did it. 7 multiply 4, okay, the left numerator with the write denominator. Then in the middle we have this minus, so between these two fractions put minus. Now 3 multiply 5, which gives us 15, so we write 15 here. And then multiply the denominators together. 5 multiply 4 is 20. Now 28 minus 15, we just did it here, which is 13. So write 13 divided by 20. It means 13 over 20, or 13 divided by 20. This is our answer. So you learned the method how to add or subtract with the help of butterfly method. Now I will just give you two questions for subtraction. So when you do it, send it back to me. The two questions are 3 divided by 9 minus 2 divided by 1, and the second one 4 divided by 6 minus 9 divided by 9. So solve these two questions with the help of the butterfly method of subtraction and send it back to me.